Hey everybody! So today we're actually filming my Boxycharm Luxe box. So this is the third Luxe box since they came out. I've actually received all of them. This is just the only one I'm filming. This is going to be my last Boxycharm box, mainly because I'm done. So last year I got a year subscription to it, and then I upgraded when BoxyLux came out. And I had decided midway through last year that when my subscription was over, I wasn't going to be resubscribing, mainly because my magical makeup shelf is way too full, and I want to be more conscious of the things I'm bringing in to my collection so that I can, you know, just be more informed about how I'm spending my money. So I've already opened this, mainly because I'm an impatient child, and I really wanted to know what was in it. The theme is loving Rose. I don't know, probably butchering that. Probably most definitely butchering it. And the thing that's on top when you open it is this train case. This is the Boxycharm Train case, and it is a $20 value. It's got a really kind of holographic thing. That's probably super loud in the mic. Probably. Then, like, we'll just pull things out from here. This is something that they sneak peek. This is the iconic London brow cushion, which is a $40 value. The color I got, where's the color? I know there's a color, is medium. There we go. It was there. I knew it was there. Then this is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. And this is a $48 value. I've actually never really tried anything more than a foil packet of this. So I'm excited to try that. Next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Deborah Lippmann Duo. This is a $20 value for the Deborah Lippmann polishes. The colors are Oh Donna and Modern Love, which I don't know which one's which. I don't really want to take them out of here yet to figure that out. But when I put them on my nails, I'll let you guys know. This is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is a $34 value. So we got what, two skincare products in this box. Itch my head. Now we're kind of just down to like the makeup stuff. Oh, I kicked my camera. Oh, I'm getting a Charlie horse. Oh. Need to up my magnesium. So these are Lilly lashes, and this is a $24.99 value. And the style is Gaia, exclusive faux mink Gaia lashes. They are cruelty-free and durable enough to wear 20 times. How often I wear lashes, I'm never gonna run out. Now, this in the foam, this is the disappointment of this, like, box. So, I'm sure at this point a lot of you might have already heard that this was supposed to be in the box, and a lot of people are unhappy about it. So they're supposed to be doing color quizzes, and everybody who had a certain skin tone was supposed to get one or the other. I received the medium to deep, which is very much not suited for me. Not gonna swatch it in any capacity. I'm gonna try and find this little puppy a nice home, because it doesn't have a place here, sadly. And that's really sad, because I was really looking forward to the CoverFX like face palette, and it's like the biggest disappointment of the box because it's just not usable. Like the only color in here that I could use would be like the brightener, and then I could use maybe the highlights as like an eye like shadow, but I don't need more of that. So that baby is going to find a nice home elsewhere. That was a $45 value. Boxycharm has issued a like $45 value of charms to everybody who's got the mistake. They're saying it was like an electronic error and certain people got things they weren't supposed to. I feel like charms are useless because half the time there's nothing in the shop I really want. So it feels kind of like a apology when your mom makes you do it, not an apology when you're sincere. So that's my feeling on it. I'm gonna move that along to somebody who will love it. Pretty sure I got at least a coworker that'll like it. The last three things we have in here: the Moda Powder and Glow brush set. This is a $29.99 value of 2 brushes. Let's destroy the package and see how soft they are. The handles are pretty. So, like a fluffy, kind of loose highlighter brush, and then a soft powder brush. They do feel soft. We'll give them a wash and see how they feel later. Gotta put everything behind me. I just missed the trash can. Not that you all know, but now you do, because I told you. Then we have these Becca super foil reflective packaging. This Becca lipstick. This is the Ultimate Lipstick Love. A moisturizing 8-hour long wear silky satin lip color infused with next generation of hyaluronic acid. So it's supposed to be hydrating. And I got the color Sea Souffle, which looks kinda like a move. Gonna focus? I don't believe we're gonna focus. I don't think it wants to focus. Doesn't want to see it. It's okay. Should we swatch this? I think we should swatch this. Ooh. That's a color I would wear. There aren't many colors I wouldn't wear, to be honest. That was super satisfying. Did you guys hear that? Smacking of metal together. Now it's tipping over. The last thing in this box is an eyeshadow palette, and this is where is it? The Morphe 15 Shade Artistry palette, which is worth $16. Which contains 15 eyeshadows, and I got B15 Brunch Babe. And I've already looked at this because, again, impatient child. And then I put it back in the box just so I can open it for you guys again. So this is what it looks like, and the inside of it is actually really, really pretty. Well, see, now there's light up in the way. I like this pink on the side. But very, very pretty, and I am sure I will actually get decent use out of this, and it's mirrored so I can travel with it. It also doesn't feel as cheap as I feel like everybody says the Morphe palettes are. I feel like everybody has always said that they feel flimsy, and maybe it's because this is like newer. It doesn't feel as flimsy. Like it feels sturdy. Probably end up breaking it though if it is in any way flimsy, because I break things all the time. It's a normal thing with me. Alright. So let's take a second and do some math, because I didn't do math before. Because I am an impatient child and wanted to really film this because we have to get going, because we have plans now. So we're gonna add up all the prices. So this is a $301.98 value. So not bad on the value. And if we subtract that $45 for the palette I'm not going to use, I still got $256.98 of usable product. So I will rehome that face palette to somebody who will much more appreciate it to its fullest extent, and I will give everything else its own loving home. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys were disappointed, if you guys got the wrong color palette, or if it was just like not your thing. I really do want to know. It seems to me on social media a lot of people have been getting the wrong color, and it's kind of sad. So let me know. Alright, you guys have a good day wherever you are, and I will see you all next time. Bye.